So hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Ben's Revival series. Today we're going to attempt to fix my air condition. We're going to go to the garage and I'm going to take you through what the issues are. I just want to give a special note. You know, the world is dealing with the coronavirus pandemic. I just want to wish all of you to be safe, wash your hands, sanitize, and do your part so we can tackle the disease and get out of this. If you turn the air condition on, it just keeps running. So when it basically just drains the battery. So we took out the fuse to let it just chill, because we found out that it's the regulator that's bad. The motor is fine, but the regulator is bad. So putting in a new regulator today, hopefully that fixes our problem. And the other thing we want to fix is a bit of brake pad squeal. Is that the motor?
Yeah, the motor is somewhere inside it.
So this is our old regulator. We just put in the new regulator. Just gonna let my mechanic put the fuse back in. So we have an electric motor over there. You can see the electric motor. And then the regulator. Turn it on. We just put in the new regulator. The old one was definitely toast, but now we have a problem where it's not regulating the speed. I mean, it is turning off at some point at this place. But it's not regulating the speed, so we need to look at the operating unit of these knobs. Seems to be a bit of an issue over there. Still getting some brake pad squeals, so we want to check this out again. Just make sure everything is working well. So just have a bit of slow engagement when I change the gears. I'm thinking of just spraying the throttle body with some of that carb cleaner. Maybe there's some dirt inside. I want it to engage quicker, so Just want to spray that out. Crazy clean. Shit. Okay.
Three of them.
So you just saw me at the garage, guys. You saw us replacing the regulator, which had an issue. You know that regulator was bad, so it wasn't able to regulate over here. But we have discovered that actually the AC control unit also has an issue. Basically what you see now is I do have control over the air condition, but it's not regulating the different levels. You see, it's a bit hesitant. It's a bit hesitant, and that has to do with the AC control unit not giving the correct current. But when I turn it off, it does turn off. Right now I'm only dealing with the fan because I've not been able to put the AC gas. I've not been able to put the AC gas because the actual AC control unit, which sits behind this, is not supplying the correct current to the AC pump, and without that you're not able to put gas inside the system. So I'm gonna need to replace the AC control unit, which sits behind this wood. And I thought, if I'm going to take all this out, then I might as well wait for my replacement wood to actually come in. I have ordered it, but it is stuck overseas, and with the outbreak there's a few delays with that. So this is where we're at this point, and I think I'll stop there. I've got air condition, it's not draining my battery. When I put it on 0, it does turn off. I do have the fan, but to get the cold air condition will still take some time because I'll need that AC control unit. So I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. Basically I'll take this up in another episode and we'll fix this air condition entirely, but basically I need another AC control unit, and I'll get that and also get the replacement wood so we can replace this interior back to showroom condition. Hope you guys enjoyed. Plenty more coming. This is still a work in progress, and stay safe, stay sanitized, and I'll see you on the other side.